Handle that microphone.
The love-stricken beast is red-eyed and boiling. The love I have for you is dangerously unconditional, crazily untraditional. That ghost at night fills my heart with fright, with its heightened intensity pushing up against me, forcing its soul where mine is. Every night, when the stars come outside and play, I pray for the day so my soul won't call for you. But as the moon prances in the sky, I feel the chill work up my thighs. A shivery blizzard runs through my body. And all the innocence turns naughty, and I feel you pushing and slipping through all the curves looking for a place to call home. Windows creak, open slowly, breezes pick, and the blistering screams from my body and hands. As my heart dances on my chest and the rest is all you. My nerves call you, my eyes claw you, searching for your being. Only feeling, blindsided by this erupting feeling. Keeping all pain, freezing all veins. When I can't take anymore, I scream your name, and my voice freezes the air. And the breeze so tightly pulls my hair. My soul is screaming, but you don't care. Your goal is to freeze me shut and fill me with your ghostly acids. Freezing me from inside out so my soul comes out through my skin. And I feel your breezes trying to squeeze deep within. Taking the place in my soul to plant your seeds and reclaim your frozen dame. Freezing your home and combing your way past my heart, freezing all but it. So in my frozen eruption, I live to see you. Watch me, laugh at me, have me. My body is burning with ice. I feel my heart start to slow as the snow makes its way through my veins, and suddenly I feel you. Blow your warm breeze, teasing my heart with your faulty breath, trying to keep my heart's interest and living. Cause she, forgetting to pump, your house will be unlivable, and the doors will close, shattering all frozen desires, and frozen breezes that creep into my room when the sun's down, when the warmth of the day is not as round. And I can feel my heart reject your falsity. In the city of I, raised there, hair frozen in place, body crippled, nipples hard, my eyes stare at you. I can finally see your ghostly body. Your naughty embrace has to face salty disgrace. And my spirit winks at you with her evil distaste. For your frost face, I feel warmth climb up my back, and as it gets higher and get harder and harder to see you, hiding your disgraceful face from me, no longer hungry for me, and as the night becomes day, you lose your way and disappear into the sun.